Websites I wish I knew about before I wasted thousands of dollars and countless hours trying to sell stuff on the internet. Now look, I don't know if you're trying to sell your grandma's old couch on Facebook Marketplace or if you're a realtor and you're trying to sell houses or whatever, but me, I work in e-commerce, so I sell stuff on the internet for a living. What if I want to convince somebody to buy this beautiful thing on the internet? Usually I would just take some pictures of it, but do you know what would be even better? If they could see it in 3D and scroll around and look at all the details. What if I told you you could do it from the comfort of your home for like free? Well, it turns out you can, and I'm going to show you how. If you're a cute little realtor, all you have to do is take a video of the space, upload it to this website, give it a title, and the AI is going to do the rest of the work. And instead of boring old product photos on your website, let's give the people what they want, a 3D rendering. Now you have an interactive 3D rendering of your product or space that your customers can interact with. You can find a ton of really cool examples of how this technology can be applied to different categories and concepts. Having an interactive model like this is going to help people make informed decisions about choosing your products. You can do this for free here. I'll keep you updated on the tech trends that make you money, so you know what to do.